Here we go.
To do it their own.
There she is. Come on. Come here, girl. Oh. Hey, wait a minute. She's too curious about what's in there now. Hey, doggy. Oh. Oh, hi, girl. Oh, hey, do you want to show off your parrot real quick? Is he with you? Okay, I've been telling my mom about him too. Oh. Sorry, she says, I'm not looking at your building anymore. Don't look at the parrot. You chomper. Oh, there he is. Angus, right?
Yeah.
I know a lady in England that likes birds. She loves all animals. He's got the...
He's wearing his white suit.
White. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Allison will love that. Hey, boy. Oh, yeah, I didn't ask if he bites. Does he bite?
He has if people pet him.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, boy. He looks pretty mellow, though. What are you doing down there? Okay, that's it. I won't keep you. Thank you, though.
Okay.